Welcome you to the Krishna Kanaya Universe. Today I am going to discuss with you the one of the important trick of the Nifty. From this trick, you will surely gain much more money on intraday trading. And the risk of this trick is very less, but even if you need to trick of your order, today I am going to discuss with you the trick crossover pattern. In this trick, crossover pattern trick of crossover pattern trick of index like Nifty, Nifty next 50, Bank Nifty etc. But what is crossover pattern? So first of all we understand what is crossover pattern and how this crossover pattern arises. Then we are able to understand how crossover gives us lot of money. Crossover means the changing of the pattern. But how the pattern is changing? Like graph is staying here. Graph is staying here. 1 minute. Graph is here. And we think know where this graph will go. Either this may go up or this may go down. Two possibility. One minute, format background. Okay. This may go up or this may go down. But in this situation, what we do? If we buy, then we may go loss, and if we sell and market go up, then in this situation we may be in loss. But we are not doing this. Apart from this, or advancing to see the graph, same graph, we see one thing: why we buy from this place. Why we buy from this place? We are not buying to this place. In many times we see that a graph is crossing over. It means changing its pattern from up to down or down to up. Now in that situation, when the graph is changing its pattern, we see the situation from NSE India. Like we come to NSE, go to equity derivative, and in which month you want to buy, you buy this. but I am not going to but I am only focusing on this volume weighted average price. In this time, volume weighted average price is higher than the current price. Are you understanding my point? No. To seeing the volume weighted average price or using the volume weighted average price, we use our trick. We place the stop loss order of volume weighted average price. When this will cross, then this will go up. But what we do, when you place an stop loss order, you keep track on it on the next day or the next day that how VWAP will change. And in this situation, you also keep one thing in mind, that the contract will be good, means the number of contract will be good. So in this way, we are placing the order on the intraday. This trick is for intraday, because with very less capital you may earn more. Like in 15,000 you may earn 3 to 4,000 in a day with only 15,000. It means if you have 30,000 you may earn 7 to 8,000 in a day. But one restriction of this trick is this will not happening daily, because when market moves either up or down, then market becomes range bound. In this situation, this trick will not work. So you always decide when this trick will work or not. In the next video or next part, I will discuss with you how you decide that this trick will work or not. Because if this trick will work, you will get more than 20% to 25% in a day with very less effort. But in this video, I am focusing on this trick only. No, we place an order. So we come to our point. We see that this graph is looking like this, but when we draw this graph just like this, like Nifty is moving first down, 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 and up, 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 up. Okay, this is the pattern of the Nifty. In this way Nifty move. No, the situation arises is here a cross reversal pattern work or not? Yes. If market will move down to this type in one day, you surely earn more than 3,000 or 4,000 with very less capital. The main part of this trick, or the main benefit of this trick, is you need very less capital to earn more. This trick will apply on any of the index, but my suggestion to you, you only apply this trick on index on your initial stage. After that, you may apply this trick on any of the stages. Now I am going to show you my live proof of this trick, because first of all, I always trying to my trick after doing lot of effort to what I am thinking, then I get some of the result. In initial stage, when I am discovering this trick, I may lose money, but I am correcting it day by day and getting good money. Now I am going to show you how this works. Now you see how this works. This complete detail is of intraday, and this is the real money. Okay, thank you.